Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clone your own voice in just 2 minutes for free. First, open a browser of your choice, type fish.audio in the search bar and hit enter. You'll be directed to their website. If you are new to the site, a signing option will appear for fish.ai. With Google, just click continue and you'll be logged into fish.audio website. Now click on voice cloning at the top in the video details section. There are three options: public, unlisted, or private. I'll skip this step and won't change anything. Proceed to the cover image where we will upload any photo. Click save. Now everything looks good. Enter a name for this voice in the description. Then below there is an option to upload or drop your audio files. Here, just click this and upload the recording of your voice. Should be at least 10 seconds long with a maximum of 90 seconds, but fish.audio recommends at least 30 seconds. Once you're all set, click create. Now your voice is ready and it sounds like a real voice record in your studio. Make daily backups. This powerful combination allows you to schedule and execute scripts automatically, making system maintenance more efficient and reliable. And if you're happy with the result, click save. If you're ready to use your voice for your projects, just click use voice. This is where we type or paste our scripts. For now, there is a sample script already generated in fish.audio, so let's click create. Click on maybe later to show others that it's possible to clone your own voice for free. Click create again, and after a few seconds you will have your own voice speaking as if it's real. And if you're happy with the result, just click the download icon button at the end and you will have a voiceover that you can use for your projects like video editing. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.